challenge.
I can do that, I think.
So basically, guys, this challenge is very simple. Paul, say hi.
Hi.
He has made some slimes for us, and they are ugly slimes, and we have to try and make them pretty. Whoever can make the slime prettier wins the challenge. And you guys are gonna have to excuse my voice because I am sick, so yeah. Also, guys, new announcement. I can't scream, so I'm just gonna talk like this. New announcement. We have a very big project that we've been working on for a very, very long time now, and I've been saying it for a while. So, but probably a bunch of you guys know. But if you are new or you haven't heard, you can guess this still. But I'll give you 2 hints. It's fun, and you can put it on your phone. So yeah, can you guys guess what it is? 3, 2, 1. If you guess it now, you are correct. Yay, so excited, guys. But guys, I'm not gonna tell you what kind of app it is yet or what it is for, but you guys can also guess, because you guys comment down below and guess what it is for and what it's gonna be about. And yeah, so make sure you keep looking out in the video, and I will tell you later on. And yeah, also guys, make sure you press that subscribe button and the little notification bell and the like button, and yeah, that would make me very, very happy. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo!
Are you guys ready for your first round?
I'm ready!
Okay, I made these especially ugly for you guys.
Yay!
And I need you guys to make it pretty.
Okay.
Make this pretty.
Oh my gosh. I mean, they look like kind of like Christmas trees, so they're not too bad. But like...
But it's not Christmas,
oh
so fix it. Make this pretty. Oh, and also, you might want to go get your ingredients. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to get your ingredients. Go, 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 go. All right, it looks like Jay already got some ingredients, but there's only 5, 4, 3.
Okay. I got my stuff. I'm good.
All right.
First, this slime, it's very glittery. Okay, so, but it's pretty, like, you know, rippy. Yeah. So I got some foam soap to try and soften it, but I feel like the clay alone would probably be pretty good.
And I just copied you, so because I saw you grabbing it, so yeah.
I'm gonna put this yellow clay in it, and I'm gonna hope that it's gonna turn into like maybe a pretty green butter of some sort. A lot of times this clay kind of like softens and melts slime, so I thought that that would happen, you know, and it didn't. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add the rest of the clay. It's a very pretty color.
I have blue clay because I want to make it blue, and we'll see what color it comes out, but I think it's gonna come out amazing.
Okay, I think mine is actually softening up just like I wanted it to. It's actually working very, very well. As you can see, it's a lot stretchier now. I feel like I should still add a little bit of foam soap though. I think it does need a little bit.
Yours is looking good, Ameerah.
Thank you. Okay, so I think mine's pretty stretchy, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of foam soap.
I added a lot of foam soap already, and it's still not very stretchy.
Really?
Well, it's getting better, look.
Okay, mine's kind of like puffy now, and it's actually really cool because it's kind of like fluffy.
Came out a very nice blue.
All right, so my final touch, guys. I'm gonna do a bubble first, actually. Yes. Okay, so my final touch, guys, I'm gonna add this little foam bead mixture I made. It has blue and yellow and little marshmallow beads, and I really hope that it looks cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and add all that. And ta-da! That's my final slime, guys. I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks a lot better than how it came. And it also grew in size too. Grew a lot in size.
All right, guys. It's definitely a lot softer, which I am loving it. And I think I'm gonna put some really cute stars.
Oh, that's so pretty.
And I am going to put some gorgeous glitter.
Oh, that's so much glitter.
I don't know how to...
Oh my God. Mom!
What? It's so nice. Look at that.
Thank you so much. It does look really pretty with those stars, though.
Look at that. Okay, I don't even want to like mix it because look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at how nice it looks. Ameerah, look at this.
Yeah, it looks very pretty.
So it definitely, I think it looks a lot cuter. And that is my final slime. Oh my goodness. I am in love with this slime now. So that's my slime, guys.
Okay, well, I think you guys should vote for Team Ameerah because, I mean, look at my slime. It's beautiful.
Definitely you guys should vote for Team Jetta.
No, Team Ameerah. Team Ameerah. Comment down below, hashtag Team Ameerah.
Team Jetta, because mine has like stars and glitter and it's super soft and it's super cute. And yeah, you should like definitely vote for Team Jetta.
Alright, well, wait a minute, guys. Actually, I get to decide who won here. This was my ugly slime that you guys fixed.
Okay,
So
well,
let
they
me
can
see.
still comment, okay?
Yes. Alright, so let's see here. Can you do some ASMR for me?
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Alright, I made my decision on that one. Let's see this one. Very pretty. I touch. I feel very nice. Can you do ASMR? Oh, nice. Let's see this one next to it.
This one's very nice too.
Mine's called, Tonic Party.
Oh my gosh, this is really a difficult decision, guys.
Actually, I'm gonna call it Electric Party.
Honestly, this one, I'm sorry, I'm giving it a tie. It's too much alike. It's too nice. Both of them are perfect.
That works for me.
I mean, I guess that's better than just losing.
Yeah.
Okay, time for round 2. Now we have not so ugly slimes. I've just made some okay looking slimes, but you gotta make it prettier. That's the challenge.
Oh, I could definitely work with this. Yes.
Nice.
All right, go for it. You have as much time as you want to get the ingredients.
Okay, I'm here. Oh wait, I'm here. This wasn't timed. I'm here.
It wasn't timed, but you were quick.
I'm here. Okay, so this one I am excited because I have a good plan. I'm gonna make it cotton candy because I mean,
Nice.
I love cotton candy. So yeah. Okay, so first I am going to soften it. I'm gonna soften it. I'm gonna use some glycerin. Hope that wasn't too much.
I'm just gonna put a lot of foam soap because I wanna soften it a lot and that seems to work.
And mine, it seems like it's pretty soft. I feel like I should add just a tiny bit more, but it has a really nice texture now. Oh gosh, guys, I added too much glycerin. Okay, whatever. I'll just do my next step. I'm gonna be adding shaving cream. I'm gonna be making a fluffy slime. Okay, we're just gonna add a bunch, and hopefully the shaving cream will like activate the slime. I'm adding a lot of shaving cream.
Right, well mine seems pretty soft now. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some gold pigment and see what happens.
That's such a good idea.
I can open this.
Okay, it seems like it's activating, guys. Thank goodness, because it was a mess. I'm very happy about that. Oh, that's so pretty. Why didn't I think of that?
Look at that. I don't know about you guys, but I love gold color. It's just so amazing. I just love everything that's sparkly. Right, I'm also going...
Looks like Aladdin.
Right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Ameerah, I made a bubble.
Whoa, that's a nice bubble.
All right, guys. Well, I think the color is turning out really nice, but I feel like I want more pigment because I want it like more gold. Okay, I am in love with this pigment.
That's a lot of pigment, Mom.
That is so beautiful. Look at that.
Okay, guys, so mine is actually pretty good now. I definitely should have not put that much glycerin, but it is very fluffy and I like it. Next thing I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna add my foamies. Okay. Oh, yes.
That's looking very nice, Ameerah.
Yay.
Jetta?
Yes.
Okay. Looking a little green.
Yeah, it's weird.
Okay.
I wanted it to come out like gold, and it looks green. But I'm gonna put some glitter, some gold glitter. Then I'm also gonna put some of this glitter over here.
Gee, that's a lot of glitter.
It's not that much. It's so let's see what happens. That looks nice. Look at that.
Oh, that's so pretty. Okay guys, so next thing I'm gonna add is glitter. That sounds terrible. So I'm gonna be adding a bunch of this blue glitter. Yeah.
I love it.
Thanks. And then I'm gonna add these stars.
Aw, looks like a cupcake.
Looks like a galaxy, like a really unicorn pastel galaxy. Oh, it looks so pretty. Wow, I put a lot of glitter in there. I didn't even realize how much glitter I put. Oh, it looks so pretty. Okay, I think I am all done with my slime, guys. I am very happy about how it turned out. I think it's super pretty.
I don't know about mine. I wanted it to turn gold, and it is very sparkly, but it kind of has like a green tone, which I'm not like very happy with, but I mean, I guess it's still nice because it's sparkly. I don't know. What do you guys think? It is very soft.
Okay, contestants, are these your final slimes?
Yeah, I think this is my final slime.
So let's look at them.
Hashtag Team Ameerah. Okay, so I have a bluish purplish slime here with pink and blue foam beads and white foam beads and glitter and yeah.
It's a little sticky. I don't
Yeah.
like that. Okay, let's do the next slime.
All right, well, this one's mine. Like I said, I wanted it to turn out like a gold, and it kind of has like some green tones, and also the glitter. I mean, I guess the green tones on the glitter makes it nicer, but it's pretty soft. And yeah, that's my slime. I don't know if you like it. Hashtag Team Jenna.
Hashtag Team Ameerah.
So I made the decision already, and I'm gonna go with hashtag Team Ameerah.
Yes!
I would go with that one too. I like it.
Oh, thank you. Yay! I won this challenge. I mean, you guys make sure you comment down below who you thought won this challenge. This round, I mean. And let's get on to the next one.
Okay, guys, this is the final round. I made this extra special for you, as this is the final round. This is your last chance to
Bring
get
it
back
on,
on top
Paul.
or
I
in the
can do
middle.
this.
Okay, all right.
Go.
Here it is.
Oh my gosh, that is ugly.
What is this?
Thank you. I tried my best.
This looks like the Easter Bunny pooped in the slime.
That's what I was aiming for. Thank you, Ameerah.
How are you gonna fix this?
Well, that's the challenge. Make this pretty. And by the way, there's a twist. Okay? You can't use clay.
Oh,
Dang it.
I like clay.
All right, go
Fine.
for it.
Okay, I am here. I got all my stuff.
I'm here. I think I'm gonna do better this time.
All right, you can start right now.
Okay, first I am going to,
I'm gonna soften it.
yeah, I'm gonna soften it with glue all this time because I kind of want it to get whiter too so that I can change the color a little bit. I hope this works. Okay, so it's definitely getting lighter. But it also is kind of melting. But I did bring activator this time, so I can activate it.
Okay, it's very soft now, which that's what I wanted. So I also want to make it fluffy, so I think I'm gonna put some shaving cream.
Okay, activated mine again, and I'm gonna add some more glue though because I did kind of overactivate it, and I still want a little bit more.
Yours is looking pretty good.
Right? I was gonna change it to like a blue, but now like I'm liking this color because it's like a really nice pink.
Okay, well, here's mine. It's not done yet, but it has a really nice texture.
Nah, I like this one so far.
Well, I haven't changed it yet. I've just changed the texture. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be adding instant snow, guys, and I'm hoping that it will make it whiter so I can change the color more. So we're gonna make some snow. Love instant. Okay, and now let's put it in our slime. It's not making it whiter so far. Oh no.
I'm gonna put some foam beads. Ooh.
Whoa.
Whoa, Mom, yours is really pretty.
And I'm also gonna put some of this. I love the colors, by the way. And I'm gonna put some glitter.
Mom, that's so freaking pretty with the sprinkles and everything.
Right? Yay. Look at that. Oh, I don't want to mix it. Paul, do you hear this? I think mine should win this time.
Well, we don't know how hers is gonna end up. So far, yes, you are definitely winning. But let's see what she can do.
Look at this.
That's nice.
Okay guys, so after a very long time of kneading this, guys, I finally got it to an okay texture. It is not drizzly like I wanted, but it is kind of cloud creamy, so I'm gonna take it.
Whoa, that looks like chocolate shake.
Yeah, it's got a very nice texture. Okay, now I am going to add some blue food coloring that I stole from her side. And I'm gonna attempt to make it blue.
That looks like a sugar cookie.
I'm about to eat it.
I'm gonna add some more blue food coloring in hopes of fixing it. Oh, definitely getting prettier. Okay guys, here is my slime so far. I think it's pretty. It's got a pretty nice color. Now I'm gonna add some glitter. Okay, we're gonna add a lot of blue glitter because it needs it. No, good.
Ooh, that's nice.
Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, it looks very pretty, guys. I'm actually really loving it. Gonna add some more of that glitter. Okay, and I'm just gonna borrow these sprinkles really quick. Oh, yes. Beautiful.
Wow.
And voila!
That looks really nice. That's a hard decision, guys.
Okay, mine is finished. Mine is finished.
Mine too.
Go ahead, ASMR, so I can see.
Can I have it
Yeah.
when you're done?
After I win this challenge.
Very nice. Let me touch it. Okay. Oh, it's a very nice texture. Next.
All right, this is mine. ASMR. I don't know. I like mine a lot. It's a very light pink and it's so sparkly. Guys, hashtag Team Jeddah.
I like the texture of this one better. But I do like the foam beads in this one. This one I don't see anything.
You can see the sprinkles and the sparkles.
This is a very tough decision, guys. I don't know which one I should pick.
I think you should pick mine.
Definitely pick mine.
No, mine. Hashtag Team Jeddah, guys.
I'm gonna pick Ameerah.
Yes! I got 2 wins. I won the challenge. Yay!
But hey, you know what that
I'm gonna
means?
win.
You get to get her slime because she offered it to you when she wins.
You said after I win this challenge, it's mine now.
I did say that. Alright guys, make sure you comment down below who you think should win this challenge. I mean, Paul thinks I should win this challenge. I think I should win this challenge.
I know, I think I should win this challenge. So hashtag Team Jeddah.
And yeah, that is it guys. Thank you so much. And I hope you see you next time. Bye.
Mwah.